Hi, good morning. Yeah, today we are trying poached egg because children wanted. They don't want any oil, nothing. So I thought, oh, I can try. This is not my recipe. Somewhere I saw, and it's working out nicely. Now already my water is boiling. Then add little salt. That's it. Okay. Then wait little while because it should not come boiling bubble like this. It's not okay. Just keep this one chenni like this. Then slowly you must add this one. Okay. Now wait little while and make it the gas is normal. Now only you can add this one. Okay. Now already this egg, one egg. See how it will come. Okay. Yes, children want it. They don't want any this thing. Yeah, you have to wait. At least you have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes. I think so. You have to count only 1, 2, 3, and little bit. I want to come. See now. Yeah, it is cooking. Yeah, come and have a look here. See, beautiful, nice, no? Yeah, because what to do? They are telling Mama, don't use the oil, don't use the ghee. Then what I have to do? I thought, okay, I saw there. Then okay, I will try this one. You have to wait, yeah. Then after that, what you have to do, nicely you can use the what do you say that salt and pepper, then bread. That's it. Very healthy one. I think so. But always I won't prefer bread. Actually, homemade bread only I like. But my oven is not working. Or repair that one. Nearly 2 to 2.5 months. I think so. Yeah. Okay. Now again, I'll put it in high flame only because it's not even cooking properly. So let me see. It will take 2 to 3 minutes at least. Otherwise, it won't. In the hotels, they will do when I'm going to a buffet, there the egg will be there only all the time because they're so experienced. Yeah, so nicely they'll make it. Mm. Yeah, 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 it's coming nicely. You have to wait. That is the thing actually. Now we can switch off the gas. Then little while you can wait. See, because in the water only, hot water only, it will cook. I think so. Because I am also newcomer only, I'm only trying actually. Because good things, whenever the people will tell me also, you can try. First I will try, it's working out, it's very good, then only I will try and I will post. That's it, yeah, my concept. Okay. Now it's doing well. So see now, it's nice only. Now it'll shake it like this and properly. Again, you can keep it a little while the heat is there, no? See, yeah, my egg is ready now. I'm using this is a idli knife because when my children are small, no, that time I used to use this one only. Otherwise, they will take for me. Then I can't look after four children rounding, rounding. Okay, now this is ready. Now you can, yes, see how beautiful, yeah, nice, no? That's what I told you. Okay, by you can try it, and now I can put it in the bread properly like this. Wow. Very nice. See now, you can add salt and pepper. Oh, my salt is there, my pepper is there. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, sorry. Yeah. See now, come, show. See, little bit salt, and you can add the pepper also nicely. Close it like this. Then, however you want, you can cut it. Then eat it. That's it. Very easy, no? 2 minutes, no oil, nothing. Whoever dieting and healthy also, this is. I will accept that one because this is very, very healthy. Nothing we are using, no masalas, nothing, only salt, bread, and egg. That's it. Now you people can also try and let me know. Every moment you have to enjoy only. I always enjoy. I'm trying. That is my life.